The NB Network with Dee's Photo.
It's me, Dee. Welcome to the NB Network. Today, I am mad. I mean, at first I was so excited because I saw MAC Cosmetics was doing a collaboration with gender fluid designer Harry Reid. Now, being that, the NB Network, the non-binary network, I'm non-binary, gender fluid, so is my child, my youngest, and I want to support others like me, whom kind of just identify in that non-binary umbrella, the gender fluid. So I was like, I am getting their stuff. But a lot of the stuff had sold out, except for I was able to get the palette. And I was like, yay! I can't wait to get my hands on this palette. And then it arrived. Let's get into that. All right, so this collab with MAC Cosmetics. I am livid. I can't even. Okay, I gotta. This really fucking pisses me off because I saw it was like a 9-pound palette and it was $33. I expected something nice. I was expecting this something like, with the color pop. It looked like it'd be like this, right? And I expected, something similar. And when I saw the colors, I was like, oh, I love those colors. The problem is with teal in eyeshadow, I've always noticed teal never stands out as bright and beautiful as I want it to. It usually muddies down and kind of doesn't blend well. And so I was concerned about this because MAC, I don't really use MAC eye products. I like their lipsticks. It's something that I've used. It's been like a staple since, when I was in college when MAC first came out, But I thought, let's try their eye product. Let's see if this is something, because maybe I'll get back into MAC and see what they got. Sorry, the sun is coming and going. It's snowing and the clouds, it's just, I'm sorry for my lighting. But this is what I got. Now, the artwork is stunning, right? Beautiful. But look at this compared to the ColourPop. This is like $18. This $33. And it's cheap plastic and it's magnetic, but and then this is it. I mean, I don't know if you can actually tell how small this is compared to another 9-pan. Do you not? I am mad. This is So I tried to do an eye look. In fact, what I'm wearing, and does not really want to blend very well. And I tried to use the teal up in here, and it just it just would not shine. And I'll swatch it, and you can see it's not very pigmented at all, and it just died. And then there's this color. Look at this. I mean, let's see here. I was like, oh, shimmers and mattes. Now, the gold is a little bit more pigmented, but not by much. People, this is not MAC. What the fuck? What were you thinking? This is not, you're going to, collab with someone and put out some crap? Shit. I'm mad, folks. You can tell. So I did use this color in my crease. Let's see here if I can. Oh, my hand's not dried. Dried on my. And it's like no pigmentation there. Look at this. This is like I would expect for if I bought a kid's. Look at this. That's a pink shimmer. Doesn't. Here's another one. This one. What the? This is A piece of crap. This is a POS. Oh my God. I am so... Look at this one, looks nice. That's like, oh, the first, the gold looks okay, and then this matte, there's no pigment in these mattes. I had to build, folks. And that shimmer's okay. It seems like 2 of the colors out of all of these are worth anything. And that, my friends, is awful. I mean, I had to build and build and build. And it still looks like I didn't, up in here, there you can't see. I am mad. I feel like I mean, this was a waste of money. $33 for this. You got some kind of expectation. You go and you're like, oh yeah, I'm going to get something good. And I get this little tiny piece of There's a lot of cursey, sweary words. I'm sorry. I'm swearing up a storm here because this sets me off. Do not buy this. The thing is I want to support, the gender fluid community. And I feel like this is such a huge letdown and a mockery. What a piece of... And the really nice artwork is just all smushed, so you can't even get good detail of it. Oh, and the box they sent it to me in? Do I still have it? No. It was like this big. I kid you not. I have photos I will show you. I took because I was showing my friends. Some of my friends and some of you are subscribers, I know. And I was like messaging you going, I can't believe how upset I am. You won't believe this. And I tweeted about the size. I did. It's on Twitter. I complained. I was just like, do you see the difference here? Oh, so, I don't even want to buy MAC lipsticks anymore. I don't want to do anything with MAC. First, I was like, oh, great, they're being inclusive with the gender fluid person. Piece of shit, crap, makeup, no pigmentation. Gets all muddied anyway when you put it on your eyes. Tiny. It was like I had to take my brush and go dip, 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 dip. So, I want to be kind. I do like MAC lipsticks, so that's my kindness there. And I'm happy for Harry Reid. I hope Harry gets a better collab, gets better, people working with them who's not going to just do something this shitty. Because this is shitty. I mean, why? Why be so... And $33. I want my money back. Holy shit, I do. I don't know what the return policy is with MAC or something, but I'm going to be looking into this shit because I'm mad. So that's this wonderful video for you all. Sorry, I'm not, I don't have anything good. I mean, one good thing is my Lunar Beauty package came in because I loved the Manny's lip glosses, like love. And I had ran out, so he recently just refilled. So that was a good thing. I can't find the package right now, so I'm not going to show them off to you. But yeah, so that, some of the stuff I got in this week, I'm like, oh, yay, cool stuff. And then I got this from MAC, and it was like sucker punch. So I feel sucker punched. What? Really, it's like I got sucker punched here. That is... Okay, well, folks, hit the like button if you agree with me on this. If you like this video, I'm not sure how this video is coming out. But hey, folks, I love you all. Okay? Thank you for joining me here today. Let me know what brands have let you down in the comments down below. And subscribe to this channel. Share this video with others. Let other people know what a piece of crap we got here. Piece of crap. I love you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.